Tomorrow night, President Trump's going to deliver his State of the Union. Each member gets to bring a guest to witness it live in the chamber. And so every year I invite a local constituent to highlight an issue that directly impacts the people here in Palm Beach County. And this year, my guest, who I'll introduce to you in a moment, is going to bring a powerful message. And that's about the administration's reckless, unvetted cuts to the federal workforce. It's not going to lower costs, but what it's going to do is hurt everyday Americans. And why is our administration doing this? To fund massive tax breaks for millionaires. Today I'm honored to welcome Cynthia Austin Thompson. She's a local president of the American Federation of Government Workers. They represent over 800,000 federal workers, the people who keep our country running. And standing with us today are representing our fine local federal employees. They're here. Just so you know, our federal employees include TSA, those who serve Social Security, Veterans Administration, and these folks are here. Thank you for your service, all of you. And it is their work that's being directly affected by the administration's attack on government and essential services. Now listen to this. Right now, the White House is closing 1,000 Social Security offices. They're slashing the VA staffing. That's Veteran Administration. We have a beautiful VA hospital here in Palm Beach County. And they're laying off thousands and thousands of federal workers. What does that mean for here, for Palm Beach County? We have nearly 200,000 seniors who are going to face delays and confusion in accessing their Social Security. We'll have over 35,000 veterans who live here who may struggle to access care at the VA. And we have thousands of federal workers in Florida, our neighbors, our friends, and our family who's losing their job. Again, what for? So that the administration can pay for massive tax cuts for billionaires. And let me say it again, this does not lower anybody's costs. And listen, I'll agree that efficiency in government is important, but it must be done responsibly and thoughtfully, not by gutting services to seniors, veterans, and making it actually more dangerous for those of us who fly out of this airport. And let's be clear, Social Security and veterans benefits aren't handouts. They're promises earned through a lifetime of services. So I'm going to thank again Cynthia for bringing this message, for the work you and your colleagues here do for the people here in Palm Beach County. We want our costs cut, not our jobs our neighbors are doing for important services, especially for our seniors and our veterans. And now, Cynthia, come up and share more, please.
Thank you for listening. My name is Cynthia Boston Thompson. I am AFGE Local 507 President at the VA. I'm also the Florida State Council President of AFGE, which has more than a little over 20 locals. The war on federal employees is a threat to veterans, workers, and our community. There are thousands of federal employees working across various agencies and installations, and they are dedicated professionals. And they serve a critical role in providing essential services, from veterans health care, Social Security benefits, to housing and economic stability. One of the largest installations in the area is West Palm Beach, VA. We manage over 540,000 outpatient visits yearly and 9,200 inpatient stays on an annual basis. Yet, despite the increasing demand for services, the number of federal employees has not kept pace. It has not increased. If anything, it has decreased. The ripple effect that we have for staff reductions, well, veterans will suffer. There will be longer wait times for medical care, reduced access to specialized services, declining health outcomes as care delays the worsening the conditions, disruption of Social Security and disability services. That means thousands of Palm Beach County residents rely on Social Security and disability. Fewer employees processing delays, leaving vulnerable seniors and disabled individuals without income. The community-wide economic impact. Federal jobs fuel the local economy. Without them, businesses, schools, hospitals feel the strain. We take a stand today because the attack on federal employees, it's overwhelming the system. So our conclusion, the fight for federal workers is a fight for all. Thank you.
Any questions? Good? Got everything you need? Okay. Thank you very much. Oh, I don't have a mic on.